Hello there. I'm Andrew, and today we're going to delve into the world of font sizes in emails and their importance. So, what exactly is a font size, and how is it measured? Well, a font size dictates how large the text appears in your document or on your screen. It's typically measured in points pt, pixels, px, or EMS/m. Points are a throwback from the print world, with 1 point being 1/72nd of an inch. In most documents, you'll find the text to be between 10 to 12 points. Pixels are the bread and butter of digital media, tying directly to the tiny dots that make up your screen. EMS, the chameleons of web design, adjust size based on the default font settings of your browser or the element they're in. Now, why must we keep our font sizes within a Goldilocks zone? Venturing outside the ideal font size range can spell trouble for readability and engagement. Fonts too tiny can cause eye strain, making emails a chore to read. Bad news, especially for those with visual impairments. On the flip side, gigantic fonts can blow out your layout and scream unprofessionalism. Staying within the sweet spot ensures your emails are easy on the eyes, look great, and avoid the dreaded spam folder. At Campaign Cleaner, we've got your back with a nifty feature that nudges all font sizes into the optimal range you set. Any font size too small gets a boost, and anything too large gets dialed down. And the best part? We handle the conversion of EMS and points to pixels, seamlessly updating your campaign HTML. Let's put this into action. We'll set our ideal font range from 10 to 32 pixels and activate the font size adjustment feature. All right, heading over to Clean Campaign, we've got a sample email loaded up and ready to go. Notice the font sizes? Some are less than 10 pixels, others exceed 32. Watch closely as I hit Clean Campaign. And there you have it. Campaign Cleaner has done its magic, bringing all font sizes within our defined optimal range, while leaving the rest untouched. In summary, font sizes matter a lot. Too small, and you're straining eyes. Too big, and you risk looking unprofessional. By keeping font sizes within the ideal range, you ensure your message is clear, accessible, and primed for success. Thanks for joining me. And here's to your next polished and perfect email campaign.